have no tolerance. We don't compromise. All we are is worthless objects in our own damn eyes. Caring for each other just does not exist. All we want to do is solve our problems with our fists. So let's change this, rearrange this. Don't contribute, try to change it. Be forgiving to a living, because life's too short to hold a grudge for time. Please just try. Watching, everyone is waiting. No one's even hopeful. Everyone's so jaded. Good times never come and bad times always seem to last. And everything's so screwed up cause we live our lives too fast. So let's change this, rearrange this. Don't contribute, try to change it. Be forgiving to a living, because life's too short to hold a grudge for time. Please just try. So let's change this, rearrange this. Don't contribute, try to change it. Be forgiving to a living, because life's too short to hold a grudge for time. Please just try. Please just try.